Jen and Ben, that public hearing was held at the request of mayoral candidate Tom Goldenberg, who raised concerns about city officials planning to bring those safe consumption sites here to New Haven. Mayor Justin Elicker responded to that, saying that there is no official plan and that instead the city has just been exploring the idea of these sites. But nevertheless, the topic is now on the minds of New Haven residents. In Connecticut, more than 1,400 people died of drug overdoses in 2022.
We're seeing a larger share of our illicit drug supply containing fentanyl, fentanyl analogs, xylazine, stimulants such as crack and cocaine are often adulterated with fentanyl, and users are not aware that they're ingesting opioids.
As people search for answers on how to address the issue, safe consumption sites have become part of the conversation. In New Haven, the Board of Alders Health and Human Services Committee held a public hearing Thursday evening where people could share their thoughts on the future of these sites.
People are advocating for the establishment of safe usage sites to help curb the current fentanyl epidemic. Using our facility assures that the nature and quality of the drugs are safe.
Joseph and Fiona Farine were among those who spoke in favor of the idea. They're dedicated to ending the stigma around addiction in honor of their son Cameron, who died of an overdose in 2018.
I think we really have to think about something that could save lives, and we've got to cut through the stigma and the misinformation.
Other residents had questions about what these sites would look like, where they would be, and how sustainable of a solution it is.
You're making this investment, but this investment could be, 5 years? And when you pack up and leave the community, what do you do to the community that's left ravished from that behavior or from that resource?
And residents raised concerns about being able to get those questions answered before any plans are set in motion.
Please make sure that the whole community voice will be heard and, we get the answers as far as the age requirements and all that, how they're going to track people, what services.
The Board of Alders says it has not received any plans from city officials, but welcomes discussion from the community.
I just hope we can continue the conversation and keep politics out of it as much as possible and try to figure out solutions that will help our residents.
The Board of Alders says if it were to be presented with a plan, then part of the process would be holding another public hearing on the topic. Live in New Haven, Gabby Molina, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.